Using elementary operation, elementary transformation, find the inverse of the matrix if it exists. Andre inverse if it exists, then we have to find the inverse of the given matrix by using elementary transformation formula, by using elementary transformation method. Okay, in the question, if they ask by using row operation, find the inverse of this matrix by using elementary row transformation. If they ask the question like that, we have to solve the problem by using row operation only. In the question, if they ask us to use column operation, column transformation, elementary column transformation, elementary operation by using column operation, if they ask like that in the exam, we have to use column operation only. In the question, if they mention by using row operation, we have to use row operation. In the question, if they use by using column operation, we have to use column operation. In the question, if they don't mention anything, if the question is like this, using elementary transformation, then we have to use anything, either row operation or column operation we have to use, right? Here, how to find the inverse of a matrix by using elementary operation. Here I am using row operation. Here we are using row operation. How to use the row operation? Let us see. First of all, let capital A equals to 1, minus 1, 2, 3. Okay. Here, any matrix can be written as like this. If you multiply any matrix with identity matrix, then we get the same matrix. If you multiply any matrix with identity matrix, then we get the same matrix. Okay? Right. Here, what is capital A? 1, minus 1, 2, 3. I 1, 0, 0, 1 into A keep as it is. A keep as it is. This is the first step. This is the first step. What is capital A? I have written as it is. I means 1, 0, 0, 1. A keep as it is. We are doing row transformation. Row transformation we are doing. That is the thing you have to remember. How to do row transformation, what to do actually. Okay, now I will tell some tricks and some properties, and by using all those things we will solve the problem. Final step should be like this. Finally we should get this one. 1, 0, 0, 1. Here we should get. In place of this one, we should get 1, 0, 0, 1 equals to. In place of this one, we get the answer. In place of A will be there. I will tell some formulas, some tricks and some properties they gave in the textbook. I will tell all those things. After doing all that simplification, here we should get 1, 0, 0, 1. Here whatever we get, that is our answer. Find the inverse in the question. So here this whatever we get, that is our inverse of the matrix. That is our inverse of the matrix. Okay. Now let us see. Here our target is to get 1, 0, 0, 1 here. Automatically we get the inverse of the matrix here. Okay. Our target is to get 1, 0, 0, 1 here by using some operation. That operation I will tell you. By using some operation, we should get 1, 0, 0, 1. Whatever we get here, that is our answer. Right? Now let us see. First, what we have to do? Here 1 is there, 0 is there, 0 is there, 1 is there. First, what we have to bring, or anyone else? First, we have to give importance to this one, or this one, or this one, or this one. First, which one we have to bring? Is it our wish? No. Let us follow a systematic way. What is that systematic way? Let us see here. 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. This is the first Roman, this is the second Roman, this is the third Roman, this is the fourth Roman. Means first we have to try to bring 1. Next we have to try to bring 0. Next we have to try to bring 1. Next we have to try to bring 0. Follow this method only for every problem whenever we are doing row operation. Then how to remember these Roman letters in this order only? We are doing row operation. We are doing row operation. Then this shape, see, observe this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is in the shape of U. When we are doing row operation, we should get 1, 0, 0, 1 in the shape of like this. First Roman, second Roman, third Roman, fourth Roman. Okay, right. As per this one, what is the first Roman letter? 1. Where it is in first row. Where it is in first row. In first row, we need 1. Already 1 is there. Already 1 is there. So, no need to take tension. Roman letter 1, already it is there. Next, Roman letter 2, where it is. Roman letter 2, where it is. It is in second row. This is first row. This is second row. This is first row. This is second row. Okay. Now, this one we have to bring. Roman letter 1 already we got. Now, Roman letter 2. Where it is in second row means nothing happened to first row. Nothing happened to first row means keep the first row as it is. Keep the first row as it is. Keep the first row as it is. We have to change the second row. Which row we have to change? Second row. Whichever the row you are changing, that you have to write here. How you want to change it? How you want to change it? That we have to write now. How to change it? R2. R2. What are the elements in R2? 2, 3, 0, 1. What are the elements in R2? Second row. 2, 3, 0, 1. 2, 3, 0, 1. What are the elements in R1? What are the elements in R1? 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 0. Where we want 0? Here. This place we want 0. Second Roman letter. Second Roman letter. Here at this place we want 0. Where is that one? Here. E place 0 we want. This here. In place of 2 we need 0. In place of 2 we need 0. How do we get 0 all of a sudden here? 2 minus 2, then 0. If it is minus 2, then our answer will be 0. If it is minus 2, then our answer will be 0. So, to avoid confusion for those who are scoring very less marks, to avoid confusion, not to bring any new problems in the examination, for them I am suggesting you to multiply with 2 only. Don't go to multiply with minus 2. Multiply with 2. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 0, 0. Okay. 2, 2, 0. What we have to do? How to get 0? What we have to do to get 0 here? Subtract. If you subtract, we get 0, right? Subtraction means we have to change the signs compulsory. Whenever we subtract, we have to change the signs, right? Here plus is there, it becomes minus. Minus becomes plus. Plus becomes minus. plus minus not necessary. 2 minus 2 0, 3 plus 2 5, 0 minus 2 minus 2, 1 plus 0 1 or 1 minus 0 also 1. So 0 5 minus 2 1, 0 5 minus 2 1. What operation we did? R2. What we did? Subtraction. R2 minus 2 R1. Here one important thing I have to tell you, that whichever the row you want to change, that you have to write first here. If you want to change R1, R1 here also R1. If you want to change R2, R2 here also R2. Means suppose you want to change R1, R1, R1. R2 you want to change R2. Afterwards, depending on situation, you may write plus 2R1, plus 2R2, or 3R2, or 5R2, or 4R2. That is your wish. Depends on situation. Here also, R2 you want to change. R2 plus 4R1, or 3R1, or minus R1, or plus 2R1. That is your wish. If it is R1, here also R1. If it is R2, here also R2. Clear? Here one more small point is there, one more very small. I told you to write, if it is R1, here also R1. It may be 2R1, 3R1, 4R1, 5R1, no problem. R1, R1, R2, R2, 3R2, no problem, 2R2, no problem, 5R2, no problem, 4R2, no problem. But R2 should be in the beginning. You are writing R2 here means R2 should be in the beginning. You are writing R1 here means you have to write R1 in the beginning. It may be 3R1, 2R1, 5R1, 6R1. That is your wish. Your wish means depending on situation. You are writing R1 means R1 should be here. R2 means R2 should be here. Okay? It may be 6R1, 2R1, 5R1, 7R1, 6R1, 4R2, 3R2, 5R2, R2, R2, R1, R1. Clear? Right. So, Roman letter 1 we got. Our target is this one, huh? Roman letter 1 we got. Roman letter 2 we got. Next target is Roman letter 3. Remember, permanent, fix. Fix, this is fix. Roman letter 3, whatever the operation you are doing, it may be row operation or column operation. It may be row operation or column operation. Whenever you want to get Roman letter 3, you have to multiply with its reciprocal. With its reciprocal means what? See here, Roman letter 3, where it is? It is in second row. Roman letter 3, where it is? It is in second row, this place. What is here? 5. What is the reciprocal to 5? 1 by 5. Whatever the number is there, you have to multiply with its reciprocal. If you want Roman letter 3, either it may be row operation or it may be column operation. You have, if you want to get 1 here, you have to multiply with its reciprocal. For example, 5 is here. We have to multiply with 1 by 5. 6 here. We have to multiply with 1 by 6. 9 here. We have to multiply with 1 by 9. Minus 2 is here. Minus 2. We have to multiply with minus 1 by 2. If it is minus 2, reciprocal, minus 1 by 2. 2 cancel. Minus 1 into minus 1, 1. Okay. If it is minus 3, multiply with minus 1 by 3. If it is 8, multiply with 1 by 8. Reciprocal, we have to multiply with its reciprocal. Clear? When we have to apply this one? To get Roman letter 3. To get the Roman letter 3, we have to multiply with its reciprocal. Now, where is Roman letter 3? Roman letter 3 is in second row. Nothing happened to first row. Keep the first row as it is. Keep the first row as it is. Keep the first row as it is. We are changing second row. Second row we are changing. How we are changing? By multiplying with its reciprocal. By multiplying with its reciprocal. Okay, right. So second row, what is second row? 0, 5 minus 2, 1. 0, 5 minus 2, 1. Multiply with 1 by 5. Second row we have to multiply with 1 by 5, no? So let us multiply the complete row with 1 by 5. 1 by 5 into 0, 0. 1 by 5 into 5. 1 by 5 into 5. 5 cancel 1. 1 by 5 into minus 2. 1 by 5 into minus 2. Minus 2 by 5. 1 by 5 into 1. 1 by 5. Okay. Clear? Roman letter 1, Roman letter 2, 0, 0. Roman letter 3, 1, Roman letter 3, 1. Roman letter 4, 0. Roman letter 4, 0. Roman letter 4, 0. This is our answer. Now I will write bit here. 1, 0, 0, 1. This we have to get. Whatever we get here, that is our answer. Okay, right. Roman letter 4. Where is Roman letter 4? Roman letter 4 is in first row. Nothing happened to second row. Keep the second row as it is. Keep the second row as it is. Keep the second row as it is. We have to change the first row. R1, R1. R2, R2. R1, R1. R2, it may be 1 by 5 into R2. I already told, R2 you are writing here. Here also R2. It may be 2 R2, 3 R2, 4 R2, 5 R2. Whatever it may be. R2 means R2. Don't write R1 here. R1 means R1. Don't write R2 here. Whatever you are writing, you should write the same row. R2, R2. R1, R1. Maybe 2 R1, 3 R1, 4 R1, 5 R1, 6 R1, whatever it may be. But R1, R1. Right? Okay. Now let us see. R1, R1. What are the elements in R1? 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1, 0. What are the elements in R2? R2, this one, 0, 1, 0, 1, minus 2 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 5. Right? What we have to do? What we should get? Roman letter 4, 0 we should get. Roman letter 4, 0 we should get. Means this place we should get 0, this place. This place we should get 0. In this place what we have actually? Minus 1 we have. In place of minus 1 we should get 0. In place of minus 1 we should get 0. What we have to do to get 0? Just adding. If you just add, then we get 0. Right? Minus 1 plus 1, 0. Adding 1 plus 0, 1. 1 minus 2 by 5. 1 minus 2 by 5. LCM 5. 5 into 1, 5. Minus 2 equal to 3 by 5. 0 plus 1 by 5. 1 by 5. Right? That is the thing we have to write. 1, 0, 3 by 5. 1 by 5. Right? So which operation we did? R1 we are changing like R1 plus R2. Got the same thing. 1, 0, 0, 1. 1, 0, 0, 1. Whatever we get here, that is our answer I told. Therefore, A inverse equals to 3 by 5, 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5, 1 by 5. This is our answer. Here, one thing I have to tell you, if you just listen only one question, it is not possible to understand. Continuously 3 questions you have to listen with full concentration without losing your patience. Then once if you can catch the method, then this method will be very easy. Very easy. Okay, so only thing is, without losing your patience, you have to listen very carefully. Okay, right. So this is the first question. Over. This is the inverse of the given matrix. Right. Now let us see the second question. Same row operation I am going to explain. Same row operation. Let us see the second question. So 1 minus 1, 2, 3. 2, 1, 1, 1. Next question is 2, 1, 1, 1. 2, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Now let us see the question. 2, 1, 1, 1. For row operation, we have to do this one only. A equal to IA, right? What is A? 1 minus 1, 2, 3. I means 1, 0, 0, 1 into A. Keep this here as it is. Again, same thing. Our procedure is fixed. 1, 0, 0, 1 we should get here. This is our target. Whatever we get here, that is our answer. Here in this place, we should get 1, 0, 0, 1. Right? Sorry, the question is 2, 1, 1. Oh. 2, 1, 1, 1. So here also 2, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Our target is to get 1, 0, 0, 1. Whatever we get here, that is our answer. We don't need to try to bring something here. We have to try to bring 1, 0, 0, 1. Whatever we get here, that is our answer. Whatever we get means we have to do clearly without any mistake. That is our answer, right? Okay. Now let us see. Roman letter 1. What is Roman letter 1? 1. Here we should get 1, right? Roman letter 1. There is one property. You can interchange any two rows. You can interchange two rows. First row you can write as second row. Second row you can write as first row. Property is there. Okay. So here what I am doing, I am going to interchange the two rows that we have to check. But what my suggestion is, here I am not going to interchange the rows. Why? Because you people should stick on to one method. Once after getting full command on this method, then you can play with this method. So that's why here I am not going to interchange. You may get confused, but that is not so difficult to step. Easy step one. But at this time, no, I don't suggest that one. So let us follow the method. Our method is there. Just some time back I told some method. Let us follow that one. What is that one? Roman letter 1, 1. We should get 1. How to get 1? In which place 1 is? This is in first row. That is in first row. In this place we should get 1. This is in first row. Nothing happened to second row. Keep the second row as it is. Keep the second row as it is. Our Roman letter 1 is in first row. We have to change this one. We should get 1. Huh? So we have to change that one. Nothing changed in this. Keep the second row as it is. Don't disturb that one. Now our target is to get Roman letter 1. What is Roman letter 1? 1. We should get 1 in this place. Where it is? It is in first row. Nothing happened to second row. Keep the second row as it is. Okay? Right. Now we are going to change first row. We are going to change first row. How to change? R1, R1, R1. R1. What are the elements in R1? 2, 1, 1, 0. R1 elements 2, 1, 1, 0. 2, 1, 1, 0. What are the elements in R2? What are the elements in R2? 1, 1, 0, 1. 1, 1, 0, 1. What we want? 1. Where it is, in which place we want 1? In this place we want 1. In place of 2, we want 1. In place of 2, we want 1. What to do to get 1 here? Subtraction. 2 minus 1, 1. So we have to subtract. Subtraction is the signs get changed. plus it was, it becomes minus. No use. Plus it was, it becomes minus. Be very careful with this. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 minus 0 also. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So, first row becomes 1, 0, 1, minus 1. What we did here? R1 minus R2. Subtraction we did R1 minus R2. Roman letter 1 we got. Roman letter 2. Roman letter 2, what is this one? 0. Where is Roman letter 2? Roman letter 2 is in second row. Roman letter 2 is in second row. Nothing happened to first row. Keep the first row as it is. Keep the first row as it is. Second row we have to change. How to change the second row? R2, R2, R2. What are the elements in R2? What are the elements in R2? 1, 1, 0, 1. 1, 1, 0, 1. What are the elements in R1? R1, 1, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, minus 1. 1, minus 1. Okay, now? Right. Where we need to get 0 here in place, Roman letter 2, 0. In place of 1, we should get 0. In place of 1, we should get 0. 1, 1, 0, 1. 1, 1, 0, 1. In place of 1, we should get 0. 0. How to get 0? If you subtract, we get 0. Subtraction. If you subtract, signs get changed. Be careful with this place. Here also 0 minus 1 minus 1. Signs get changed. 1 plus 1, it becomes 2. 1 minus 1, 0. This is 1. 0 minus 1 minus 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Okay. So it becomes like this. 0, 1, minus 1, 2. What we did? R2 minus R1. R2 minus R1. That's it. See. Roman letter 1 have we got? Yes. Roman letter 2? Yes. Luckily, we got Roman letter 3 also. More luckily, we got Roman letter 4 also. Answer over. Roman letter 1, Roman letter 2, Roman letter 3, Roman letter 4. Everything we got. Then what is there? This is our answer. That's it. Therefore, A inverse equal to 1 minus 1 minus 1, 2. Okay. Let us see. Let us check whether this answer is correct or not. There is one shortcut. There is one shortcut to find out whether it is correct or not. If capital A equal to CET formula. CET formula is if capital A equals to A, B, C, D, then A inverse equal to 1 by A inverse equals to A inverse equal to 1 by AD minus BC into D minus B minus C A. You no need to take any tension after reading this much. Is it a shortcut? Yes, it is shortcut only. Then it is very lengthy, no? It appears like that. But if I explain the trick, it is very simple. Nothing is there. This is the given matrix. How to get this answer? Just interchange these two. Just interchange these two. D comes here, A goes there. D, A. Change the sign for these two. Change the sign for these two. Over into 1 by multiply these two minus multiply these two. Okay. So for the present question, this is A value, this is B value, this is C, this is D. Okay, now substitute in this. Let us see what we get. 1 by AD minus BC. What is A into D? 2 into 1, 2. Minus B into C. 1 into 1. 1 into DA. What is D? 1. What is A? 2. Minus B. See here, minus B. B value 1. Minus 1. Minus B, no? So minus 1. Minus C. What is C? 1. What is minus C? Minus 1. 2 minus 1. 1. 1 by 1 into this one, 1 by 1, you can remove that one. 1 minus 1 minus 1 2, 1 minus 1 minus 1 2 is the answer. So this is the trick. This is the trick, shortcut you can say, to check whether our answer is correct or not. You can apply this trick even for last question also, right? Now let us see the last question. Listen this third question also with patience, without using interest. Listen next question also. Then no doubt you will understand clearly. You can play with this method. Right? Let us see the third question. The third question here, actually in the textbook, third question is a simple one only. I am going to write fourth question. Fourth question is totally different. That's why third question is very simple. So fourth question I am writing in as per NCERT textbook. Fourth question, 2 3 5 7. 2 3 5 7. Right? 2 3 5 7. Now let us see. First of all, we have to call it as A. Let capital A equals to 2 3 5 7. This will be fixed for row operation. Fixed. Okay. Let A equals to IA. What is A? 2 3 5 7. I means 1 0 0 1. Even in the last question, before last question also we did the same thing. Yeah. Right? What is our first target? What is our first target? Roman letter 1. What is Roman letter 1? 1. We should get 1. Where it is? It is in first row. Roman letter 1 is in first row. Nothing happened to second row. Keep the second row as it is. Keep the second row as it is. We have to change which row? First row we have to change. Let us change the first row. Let us change the first row. R1, R1, R1. Let us change the first row. R1, R1, R1. Now what are the elements in R1? 2, 3, 1, 0. 2, 3, 1, 0. What are the elements in R1? First row. R1 means first row. What are the elements? 2, 3, 1, 0. R2. What are the elements in second row? 5, 7, 0, 1. 5, 7, 0, 1. Okay. What we want? We want 1. In which place we want 1? In place of 2 we want 1. In place of 2 we want 1. How to get 1 there? 2 minus 5, 1? No. 2 plus 5, 1? No. 6 minus 5 equal to 1. Right? 6 minus 5 equal to 1. Correct? So in this place we need 6. In this place we need 6. How to get 6? Just multiply with 3. If you multiply the first row with 3, then we get 6 there. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. 3 into 0, 0. What we have to do to get 1? Subtraction. Subtraction means the signs get changed. Plus becomes minus. Minus, minus. 6 minus 5, 1. 9 minus 7, 2. 3, 0 minus 1, minus 1. So what we did? 3R1 minus R2. Okay? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, minus 1. You can ask one doubt. Sir, can we write like this? In the last question you did not write like this. Before last question also you did not write like this. You were telling that R1, R1, R2, R2. Remember, in first question only I told, if you are writing R1 here you have to write R1. If you are writing R2 here you have to write R2. It may be 3R2, 2R2, 4R2, 5R2, 6R2, 7R2. I told already. Remember, if it is R1, here it should be R1. It may be 2R1, 3R1, 4R1, 5R1, 6R1, whatever it may be. Right? So, this is absolutely correct. Clear? Now, let us see. So, Roman letter 1 we got. Next target is Roman letter 2. Where is Roman letter 2? That is in second row. Nothing happened to first row. Nothing happened to first row. Keep the first row as it is. Nothing happened to first row. Keep the first row as it is. We have to change the second row. R2, R2, R2. What are the elements in R2? 5701, 5701, R1. What are the elements in R1? 1, 2, 3. What are the elements in R1? 1, 2, 3, minus 1. 1, 2, 3, minus 1. In which place we want Roman letter 2? 0. In which place we want? In place of 5. In place of 5 we want 0. Our target is to get 1001. Whatever we get here, that is our answer. Okay. So, in place of 5, we need 0. In place of 5, we need 0. Multiply with 5. Don't multiply with minus 5. Problem is with the people, those who are scoring less marks. Okay. Multiply with 5 only. Afterwards, subtract. Right? 5 into 1, 5. 5 into 2, 10. 5 into 3, 15. 5 into minus 1, minus 5. Okay, right. Now what we have to do? Subtraction. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, minus, plus. Signs get changed. Huh? 5 minus 5, 0. 7 minus 10, minus 3. 0 minus 15, minus 15. 1 plus 5, 6. So here we get 0, minus 3, minus 15, 6. Okay, Roman letter 1 we got, Roman letter 2 also we got. Which operation we did? R2 minus 5R1. R2 minus 5R1. R2 minus 5R1. R2 minus 5R. Right. Next. So Roman letter 1 we got, Roman letter 2 we got, Roman letter 3. In the beginning question we discussed that one. Whenever we want to get the Roman letter 3, we have to multiply with its reciprocal. Whenever we want to get Roman letter 3, we have to multiply with its reciprocal. In the beginning question, 5 was there. In the beginning question, 5 was there. We multiplied with its reciprocal 1 by 5. Here, minus 3 is there. Minus 3. Reciprocal minus 1 by 3. 3 cancel. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. So we have to multiply with its reciprocal. Roman letter 1 we got, Roman letter 2 we got, Roman letter 3 we are trying to get. Where is this Roman letter? This is in second row. Nothing happened to first row. Keep the first row as it is. Keep the first row as it is. Keep the first row as it is. We are changing second row. How to change? R2 by multiplying with minus 1 by 3. By multiplying with minus 1 by 3 into R2. R2 we are changing. Minus 1 by 3 into R2. Second row, what are the elements in second row? 0, minus 3, minus 15, 6. Minus 15, 6. Multiply with 1, minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3 into 0, 0. Minus 1 by 3 into minus 3. Minus 1 by 3 into minus 3. 3 cancel. Minus 1 into minus 1, 1. Minus 1 by 3 into minus 15. Minus 1 by 3 into minus 15. 3 ones are 3 5s are. Minus 5 into minus 1 is 5. Minus 1 by 3 into 6. 3 ones are 3 2s are. 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Okay, right. So successfully we got Roman letter 1, 2, 3. The remaining is Roman letter 4. Where is Roman letter 4? Where is it? It is in first row. Nothing happened to second row. Keep the second row as it is. Keep the second row as it is. Keep the second row as it is. We have to change first row. R1, R1, R1. Right? First row. What are the elements in first row? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, minus 1. What are the elements in second row? Second row 0, 1. 0, 1. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. Right? Where we want that, where it is, fourth Roman letter here at this place, first row, at this place, we want 0. In place of 2, 0 we should get. In place of 2, we should get 0. How to get 0? 2 minus 1, 0. 2 plus 1, 0. No. 2 minus 2, if it is, then we get 0. So here what I want to suggest, multiply with 2. 2 into 0, 0. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 5, 10. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. 2 minus 2, 0. We have to subtract. Subtract means we have to change the sign. Plus it is, it becomes minus. Plus it is, it becomes minus. Minus it is, it becomes plus. 1, 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 10, minus 7. Minus 1 plus 4, 3. So 1, 0. 1, 0. Minus 7, 3. If you have doubt, you can apply the trick. What is the trick? 1 by AD minus BC. 1 by A into D, 14. B into C, 15. 1 by 14 minus 15, minus 1. This becomes minus 1. Into these two we have to interchange. In the trick I told, no? These two we have to interchange. 7, 2. For these two we have to change the sign. Minus 3, minus 5. Multiply with minus 1. Minus 1 into 7, minus 7. Minus 1 into minus 3, 3. Minus 1 into minus 5, 5. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2. So our answer is correct. Right? Therefore, which operation we did? R1 minus 2R2. Therefore, A inverse equals to minus 7, 3, 5, minus 2. This is the thing. Operations fixed. Okay. So, listen this one 2 times, 3 times. Same video you can watch again and again. Then no doubt, I am damn sure I can say that this becomes very easy for you. Only thing is, without losing patience, without losing interest, listen with the full concentration. Listen with full concentration. No doubt you will understand this one. Right? For more doubts, you can contact me. My contact number is 8147 0449 50. 8147 0449 50. If you get any doubts, you can WhatsApp to this number. Right?